If you're a man over 60, you may have found yourself wondering about a topic that isn't often discussed openly. What are the real effects of masturbation on your health and on your penis at this stage of life? You're not alone in asking. It's a subject surrounded by outdated myths, cultural taboos, and a surprising lack of clear, reliable information. This silence can lead to confusion or even unnecessary worry about a completely natural part of human sexuality. For many, the question boils down to this: is this practice helping me or hurting me? In this video, we're going to have an honest, fact-based conversation to clear up that confusion. First, we'll explore 10 surprising, scientifically backed benefits of masturbation for men over 60, and just as importantly, we'll cover 10 potential risks and considerations you need to be aware of to ensure you're taking the best care of your health. Stick around for the full picture because understanding both sides is the key to making informed choices for your well-being. Let's start with the good news because there's quite a lot of it. Here are 10 surprising benefits of masturbation as you get older. Number 1. It maintains penile health. Think of an erection as a natural workout for your penis. When you're aroused, blood rushes into the chambers of the penis called the corpora cavernosa, causing it to become firm. This process delivers a fresh supply of oxygen-rich blood, which is vital for nourishing the tissues and keeping them healthy and flexible. Regular erections, whether from partnered sex or masturbation, help maintain this function and can play a role in preserving the elasticity of the tissues. This regular exercise is essential for supporting strong and reliable erectile function over the long term. Number 2. It supports a healthy prostate. This is one of the most significant and well-researched benefits. Several major studies, including a landmark one from Harvard, have found a strong link between higher ejaculation frequency and a lower risk of developing prostate cancer. The leading theory is that ejaculation helps flush out the prostate, clearing away potentially harmful substances and old cells that could otherwise accumulate and contribute to cancer development. It's a simple act of maintenance that could have a profound impact on the health of this crucial gland. Number 3. It strengthens your pelvic floor muscles. You might not think about them often, but the muscles of your pelvic floor are incredibly important. They support your bladder and bowels, and they are critical for sexual function. They help maintain erections by putting pressure on penile veins and contract powerfully during orgasm to propel semen. The rhythmic contractions that happen during orgasm are a natural exercise for these muscles. A strong pelvic floor is linked to better bladder control, stronger erections, and more intense orgasms, making this an invaluable built-in benefit. Now, these first 3 points are fundamental for maintaining your sexual health. But what if you feel like you need more than just maintenance? What if you're already struggling to get fully aroused? Worry about finishing too soon, or feel your erections just aren't as full and firm as they used to be? If that sounds familiar, then I need to quickly tell you about a powerful 100% natural home remedy that thousands of men are now using. It's a bizarrely simple second method that is designed to reverse the real scientific root cause of male performance problems. So, before we continue with the rest of our list, if you want to discover how this works, simply point your phone's camera at the QR code you see on the screen now. It will take you directly to a short, eye-opening video that explains everything. I've also pinned a link to it at the top of the comments below this video. Alright, now that you know about that, let's get back to our list and talk about the powerful mental side of things with benefit number 4. Number 4. It reduces stress. Life doesn't stop being stressful after 60. In fact, new challenges can arise. Orgasm is one of nature's most powerful stress relievers. It triggers a significant drop in cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. High cortisol levels are linked to a host of health problems, including high blood pressure and a weakened immune system. By lowering cortisol, the relaxation you feel after orgasm provides a real physiological benefit, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. Number 5. It's a natural mood booster. Beyond just reducing stress, orgasm releases a cocktail of feel-good neurochemicals in your brain. These include dopamine, which is associated with pleasure and motivation, and oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone, which promotes feelings of connection and contentment. This natural chemical boost can elevate your mood, increase feelings of happiness, and provide a healthy way to manage the emotional ups and downs of life. Number 6. It helps with early health detection. This is a practical benefit that's often overlooked. Regular masturbation gives you a unique opportunity for self-examination. You become familiar with the normal feel and appearance of your penis and testicles. This familiarity makes you far more likely to notice any unusual changes early on, such as lumps, bumps, or changes in shape. Early detection of conditions like testicular cancer or penile fibrosis such as Parowan's disease is absolutely critical for successful treatment. Number 7. It improves sleep quality. If you struggle with getting a good night's rest, this is a significant benefit. The same hormonal release that boosts your mood also acts as a powerful natural sedative. After orgasm, the brain releases hormones like prolactin and oxytocin. Prolactin induces feelings of deep relaxation and sleepiness, while oxytocin reduces stress, quieting a racing mind. This combination makes it easier to fall asleep and can lead to a deeper, more restorative rest, which is essential for overall health as you age. Number 8. It helps with ejaculation control. For some men, maintaining control during intimacy can be a concern. Masturbation provides a safe, private, and pressure-free environment to better understand your body's responses and rhythms. You can experiment with different techniques like the stop-start method to learn how to recognize the point of no return and build your stamina. This greater self-awareness and control can translate into more confident and satisfying experiences with a partner. Number 9. It maintains your libido. A common saying is that the brain is the biggest sex organ, and it's true. Desire starts in the mind. Regular sexual activity, including masturbation, helps keep the neural pathways associated with arousal and sexual desire active and strong. It's a case of use it or lose it. By continuing to engage your body and mind in a sexual way, you reinforce those connections, helping to maintain a healthy interest in sex and preserving your libido as you age. Number 10. It's a proactive step for your overall health. All of these benefits add up to one powerful conclusion. Taking care of your sexual health is a vital part of taking care of your overall health. It's not a frivolous or secondary concern. It impacts your cardiovascular system, your hormonal balance, your mental state, and your quality of life. Embracing masturbation as a healthy practice is a proactive way to engage with your body and support your well-being for years to come. But a truly healthy practice is an informed one. While the benefits are clear, it's just as crucial to be aware of the potential risks and downsides. Ignoring these can undermine the positive effects. So, let's talk about 10 things you should keep in mind. First, skin irritation. This is the most common physical issue. The skin on the penis is sensitive, and friction without adequate lubrication can cause chafing, redness, and discomfort. Using a quality body-safe lubricant is a simple and effective way to prevent this and make the experience more comfortable and pleasurable. Second, the death grip syndrome. Over time, some men develop a habit of gripping their penis very tightly and using aggressive high-friction techniques. While this might feel good in the moment, it can lead to a type of desensitization. Your penis becomes accustomed to an intensity of stimulation that can be difficult for a partner to replicate, which can lead to difficulties reaching orgasm during partnered sex. Varying your technique and using a lighter touch can help prevent this. Third, the risk of penile injury. Although rare, it is possible to be too rough. Aggressive bending or pressure on an erect penis can cause bruising or, in extreme cases, a penile fracture, which is a serious medical emergency. It's important to be mindful and listen to your body's signals to avoid injury. Fourth, compulsive behavior. For a small number of people, masturbation can become a compulsive habit that interferes with daily life, responsibilities, or relationships. If you find that it's taking up an excessive amount of your time, or you're using it as your only coping mechanism for stress or sadness, it might be worth examining the behavior and perhaps speaking with a professional. Fifth, unrealistic expectations from pornography. While pornography can be a tool for arousal, heavy consumption can sometimes set unrealistic expectations for both your own performance and your partner's appearance and behavior. It can create a disconnect between fantasy and reality. It's healthy to be mindful of this and ensure that your sexual outlook remains grounded in real human connection. Sixth, dealing with guilt or shame. Many men, especially from older generations, grew up with negative cultural or religious messages about masturbation. These feelings